Um, all right, Megan, what advice might you have for candidates that don't have an internship, or they don't have an internship that they feel really reflects the quality of work that they can contribute to a company? Can you share some advice for them?
Yeah, good question, and very relevant given the fact that many interns were impacted recently. So I'd love to take full credit for this, but one of our software development managers came up with a list of 6 things that these individuals can really focus on. So the first thing is choose a project that you're really passionate about and really interested in. You can choose any language you want. If there's a company that you're really interested in targeting, you could even reach out and ask what languages or frameworks they use. But the reason you want to choose something you're really interested in is, one, you're more likely to finish it, and two, an interviewer can really feel your passion come through when talking about that project. The second thing is write unit tests. Don't worry about getting to a certain coverage threshold, but it's a good thing to be able to talk to when interviewing, and it's a nice way to force yourself to follow some good design patterns and research how things should be structured for whatever language you're using. 3, use version control. You don't need to share it publicly if you don't want to, but just being comfortable with tracking and managing work is a really essential skill. 4, call APIs to retrieve information and get comfortable with web services. Almost every software engineer we know needs to know, how to call APIs. 5, every couple days, take a step back and refactor. So take the worst parts of the code and make them better. And then 6, finish it. So one finished project is a lot more useful than 3 or 4 half-done projects. If you don't think you're gonna be able to finish it, scrap it, start again.
Wow, amazing. Megan, thanks so much for sharing that. Seriously, I think people very much appreciate that. One of the uh, what I hear often from other companies during the 8 minute webinar is how much people love seeing projects, whether with no matter what. So if you've got a place that you can showcase the work that you've done, that can very much stand out and stand in place of an internship. So Megan, thank you so much for your time. We very much appreciate it, and I know the students watching will very much appreciate you taking the time to contribute those thoughts as well.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.